Russia is building some of the most ambitious megaprojects on the planet, from futuristic high-speed rail to Arctic energy hubs. But are these engineering marvels set to reshape the world, or are they billion-dollar gambles that may never pay off? In this video, we uncover the truth behind Russia's most daring developments and how they could change global dynamics forever. Buckle up, because what you're about to see is next level. Number 6. Moscow Central Ring Road. Moscow is a city renowned for its history and vibrant culture, but it also faces one of the biggest challenges of modern urban living: traffic congestion. The city's notorious gridlock often means that residents spend countless hours stuck on the roads, leading to lost productivity, increased pollution, and elevated stress levels. To address this, Russia has embarked on a revolutionary project: the Moscow Central Ring Road, commonly known as CCAD. The CCAD is not just any road. It is a 525-kilometer superhighway designed to encircle Moscow and provide a vital alternative to the city's overloaded inner roads. This expansive ring road is engineered to intersect with 13 major arteries, offering a network that disperses traffic more efficiently across the region. With this project, the aim is to significantly reduce commute times, lower carbon emissions, and make the movement of goods and people across the city smoother and more predictable. The CCAD project, with an investment exceeding $137 billion, is a testament to the nation's commitment to modern urban planning. By alleviating traffic congestion, Moscow can also enhance air quality and reduce fuel consumption, a benefit that extends far beyond daily commuting. The infrastructure is built to accommodate future growth, recognizing that Moscow's population and economic activities will only continue to rise. Engineers have integrated cutting-edge technology, including smart traffic management systems, to ensure that the road network remains adaptive and efficient. Moreover, the construction of CCAD is expected to spur regional development. Areas surrounding the ring road will likely see new business opportunities, increased real estate development, and improved local services. This mega project is not only a response to an immediate transportation crisis, it is a forward-thinking investment that will shape the urban landscape for decades to come. As the road nears completion, Moscow is on the brink of a transformation that promises to enhance both the quality of life for its citizens and the overall competitiveness of the city on the global stage. Number 5. Power of Siberia. While Moscow revamps its transportation infrastructure, another monumental project is reshaping Russia's energy landscape. The Power of Siberia pipeline is a colossal undertaking that underscores Russia's strategic pivot toward Asia. This 3,000-kilometer pipeline, often likened to an energy superhighway, is a critical link between Russia's abundant natural gas reserves and its largest customer, China. The significance of the Power of Siberia pipeline extends far beyond its physical length. Designed to transport up to 38 billion cubic meters of natural gas per year, the pipeline represents a major shift in global energy dynamics. Historically, Russia was a key supplier of natural gas to Europe, sending as much as 165 billion cubic meters annually. However, geopolitical realities and evolving market demands have driven Moscow to diversify its export portfolio. By channeling vast amounts of gas to China, Russia not only taps into the growing Asian market, but also recalibrates its position as a global energy powerhouse. In addition to the current pipeline, plans are underway for an extension known as Power of Siberia 2. This proposed 800-kilometer pipeline will further reinforce Russia's energy presence in Asia, ensuring a steady supply of gas for decades to come. The project is a multi-billion-dollar investment that highlights the collaborative efforts between Russian energy giants and international partners. The careful coordination required for such a project has led to the adoption of advanced engineering techniques and the implementation of stringent safety standards, key factors in the pipeline's long-term viability. The economic implications of the Power of Siberia pipeline are profound. It serves as a linchpin in Russia's strategy to secure its energy future, offering a more stable revenue stream and reducing the country's reliance on European markets. In a world where energy security is increasingly intertwined with geopolitical power, this pipeline stands out as a bold declaration of Russia's intent to shape the global energy order. Moreover, the project has far-reaching environmental and technological dimensions. The use of state-of-the-art monitoring systems and environmentally conscious construction methods ensures that the pipeline is not only efficient, but also built with sustainability in mind. Both the Moscow Central Ring Road and the Power of Siberia pipeline exemplify Russia's approach to transforming infrastructure challenges into opportunities for growth and international influence. While CCAD tackles the everyday issues of urban mobility and pollution, the Power of Siberia pipeline addresses long-term energy security and economic diversification. Together, they reveal a narrative of a nation that is determined to harness its vast resources, both physical and human, to create a future defined by progress and resilience. As these projects progress, they also serve as reminders that modern infrastructure is not simply about building roads or laying pipelines. It is about constructing pathways to a more connected, sustainable, and economically dynamic world. The advances in transportation and energy are interlinked. Each improvement in one area fuels potential developments in the other. This synergy between urban planning and energy strategy is at the heart of Russia's megaprojects and promises a reimagined future for the entire region. Number 4. Arctic LNG 2. Russia's ambition in the energy sector is not limited to pipelines and high-speed rails. It is also venturing boldly into the realm of liquefied natural gas, LNG, with the Arctic LNG 2 project, a venture that is set to redefine the global LNG market. Located on the resource-rich Gaidin Peninsula in Arctic Russia, Arctic LNG 2 represents a multi-billion-dollar investment aimed at tripling Russia's LNG export capacity. The project is designed with the vision of positioning Russia as a key player in the worldwide LNG arena. With a planned capacity of 19.8 million tons of LNG per year, the project seeks to leverage the Arctic region's untapped potential. In partnership with investors from China and Europe, Arctic LNG 2 is not just about expanding export capacity. It is a strategic initiative that will allow Russia to compete head-to-head with established LNG powerhouses like the United States and Qatar. Developing LNG infrastructure in the Arctic is a complex challenge. The harsh weather conditions, remoteness, and logistical hurdles require state-of-the-art technology and robust engineering solutions. To overcome these obstacles, project engineers are employing innovative methods such as modular LNG processing units and advanced safety protocols. These measures ensure that the facility can operate efficiently even under the extreme conditions of the Arctic. Moreover, the project is being executed with an emphasis on environmental stewardship, incorporating technologies that minimize the ecological footprint while maximizing energy output. The economic impact of Arctic LNG 2 is poised to be significant. By dramatically increasing LNG exports, Russia will not only secure a steady revenue stream, but also cement its role as a critical energy supplier in a rapidly shifting global market. The enhanced export capacity will provide a buffer against market volatility and geopolitical uncertainties, making Arctic LNG 2 a cornerstone of Russia's long-term energy strategy. Number 3. Moscow-Kazan high-speed railway. Imagine turning a grueling 12-hour journey into a swift 3.5-hour trip. This is the bold vision of the Moscow-Kazan high-speed railway. Designed to cover 770 kilometers at a top speed of 400 kilometers per hour, this project seeks to dramatically shorten travel times and redefine long-distance transportation in Russia. In fact, its speed rivals that of Japan's famous Shinkansen trains, reflecting a commitment to technological excellence and rapid transit. Originally scheduled for completion by 2023, the railway's timeline has been extended to 2027 due to financial and logistical challenges. With an estimated initial cost of around $25 billion, the project represents not just an investment in transportation, but also a strategic step toward modernizing the nation's infrastructure. By reducing journey times, the railway is expected to enhance regional connectivity and stimulate economic development. The project also serves as the first link in a larger vision, a high-speed corridor that will eventually stretch from Moscow all the way to Beijing, covering over 7,000 kilometers. This grand vision will connect Russia to its Asian neighbors in unprecedented ways, boosting trade and cultural exchange. Yet, challenges remain. Russia's harsh climate, long distances, and the presence of extensive permafrost zones demand innovative engineering solutions. To overcome these hurdles, engineers are developing specialized construction techniques and incorporating advanced materials. Additionally, international cooperation plays a crucial role. China, for instance, has invested approximately $6.2 billion in this project. However, the investment comes with a requirement that Russian teams integrate Chinese technology and equipment, underscoring the intertwined nature of global infrastructure development. Number 2. The Northern Latitudinal Railway. Shifting our focus to the far north, the Arctic region emerges as a critical arena for Russia's megaprojects. Home to roughly 90% of the country's natural gas reserves, the Arctic holds vast, untapped potential. The Northern Latitudinal Railway, a 707-kilometer-long track, is being constructed to connect the resource-rich Yamal Peninsula directly to the Arctic Ocean. This project is not just about laying tracks. It is about creating a strategic lifeline that will unlock enormous economic value. Russia controls nearly 25% of the world's natural gas reserves. However, the extreme environmental conditions of the Arctic have historically made transportation of these resources a formidable challenge. The railway is set to change that by providing a faster and more reliable route for energy exports. Once completed, it is expected to handle an impressive 23.9 million tons of cargo annually. This will not only bolster Russia's energy export capabilities, but also enhance its geopolitical influence in the region and on the global stage. Building infrastructure in the Arctic, however, is no small feat. The permafrost and rapidly shifting temperatures create unstable ground conditions, rendering traditional construction methods ineffective. To address these challenges, engineers are employing innovative techniques such as specialized bridge designs, insulated rail tracks, and the use of frost-resistant materials. These advancements ensure that the railway can endure the harshest climates and maintain operational efficiency even in the most extreme conditions. The Northern Latitudinal Railway represents a strategic transformation. It promises to reduce dependency on conventional trade routes, lowering costs, and expediting the flow of resources from one of the world's most challenging environments. This project exemplifies how Russia is leveraging its unique geographic and climatic challenges as opportunities for growth and innovation. Number 1. Moscow City, Russia's answer to global financial hubs. While energy and transportation projects redefine Russia's physical landscape, Moscow City represents the nation's bold foray into reimagining its financial future. Conceived as a modern, high-tech district spanning 60 hectares in the heart of Moscow, Moscow City is set to become a bustling center of business and innovation, designed to rival global financial hubs such as New York, London, and Dubai. Moscow City is more than just a collection of skyscrapers. It is a visionary urban development project that aims to attract international investors and foster a dynamic economic ecosystem. At its core is the Federation Tower, one of the tallest buildings in Europe, which symbolizes Russia's aspirations on the world stage. The district is planned to host state-of-the-art office spaces, luxury hotels, and high-end residential areas, all integrated within a smart city framework that emphasizes connectivity, sustainability, and innovation. The development of Moscow City has faced its share of challenges, including economic downturns and prolonged construction delays. However, these setbacks have only fueled a stronger resolve to see the project through. Today, the project is back on track, driven by a combination of public-private partnerships and renewed governmental commitment. Moscow City is positioned to transform the capital into a thriving business and cultural hub capable of attracting talent and investment from around the globe. The impact of Moscow City extends far beyond aesthetics and architecture. It represents a strategic shift in Moscow's economic narrative, from a historically state-dominated economy to one that embraces modernity, innovation, and international collaboration. By fostering a business-friendly environment, Moscow City is set to boost employment, stimulate new industries, and drive urban renewal. The project also underscores Russia's determination to reshape its economic destiny, positioning itself as a competitive force in the global financial market. We've just explored some of the most breathtaking, risky, and ambitious mega projects in Russia. But what do you think? Are these the future of global infrastructure, or is Russia taking on too much? drop your thoughts in the comments. And before you go, make sure to like, share, and most importantly, subscribe for more deep dives into the world's biggest projects. See you in the next video.